The first thing you should do with your brand new or old Minelab Equinox 600 or 800 is to update the software. In this video I'm going to go through why you should update the software and how you should do it. But before we begin, if you're new to the channel, my name is Joel, and on this channel we do a lot of metal detecting all around the world and sometimes these more educational videos. But let's jump in on why you should update your Minelab Equinox 800 for finding more treasure. There are two software updates for your Minelab Equinox 800 and 600, and of course if you update your software you will increase your chances of finding treasure. And let's look what the software brings your machine. The software update 2.0 gives you an improved iron bias. Iron bias has been enhanced with the addition of a new iron bias settings profile. The original Equinox iron bias FE settings will still be available, but there is now the option to switch to the new iron bias F2 settings, which have an improved capability to reject a much wider range of difficult iron targets, including bottle caps. We all hate bottle caps. This update will also give your Equinox 600 the ability to adjust the backlight brightness to an additional low setting that matches the minimum setting on the Equinox 800. This low brightness is ideal for detecting at night and in low light conditions, and we know how much we love detecting, and it usually keeps on going until the night, so this is a great update for the Equinox 600 users. The Equinox software update 3.0 is a great one as well. You will get a single frequency of 4 kHz that has been added to the existing 5, 10, 15, 20 and 40 kHz options. And this new 4 kHz frequency enhances the detection of large deep targets, particularly those found in parts of Asia. I think you can find some large deep targets in other parts of the world as well, and I know I love trying to find those deep targets. In addition to the 4 kHz upgrade feature, various stability enhancements have been included. You will find the download links in the description below, and from the Minelab site click Windows or Mac, whichever machine you have, and let's see how you update your Equinox. Once you have downloaded the software and installed the program, get your Minelab Equinox 800 or 600, get your magnetic cable, USB cable, and plug in the magnetic part to the machine and the USB to your computer, and of course always the wrong side first. And then we turn on the Minelab Equinox. Then it has these beautiful sounds and the program actually starts detects your detector immediately. And here you can see new software version 3.1.3. There's something new here that we are missing, and my current software version is 2.1.12. And then just click install and magic happens, and you should not disconnect or turn off your detector while the installation is in progress. Now let's wait for a while. And the machine restarts and installation complete. Your detector can now be disconnected, and my Equinox 800, brand new Equinox 800, is ready for some metal detecting action. I hope you learned something from this video. This will be one of many videos to come about the Minelab Equinox 800. I'm going to show you some tips and tricks with the detector and what settings I usually use in different kind of environments. Some of the videos will be short videos and some of them will be much more in-depth videos into the settings of the brain of the Minelab Equinox 800. But before that, you should watch, of course, one of or many of the videos that I have already when I'm out hunting with the Minelab Equinox 800.